Have you ever wondered what makes a Kit Kat so irresistibly delicious? That perfect snap, the crispy wafer, the rich chocolate? It's more than just a treat. It's the result of a fascinating global journey. Our story begins thousands of miles away in the lush cocoa fields of West Africa. Under the intense tropical sun, skilled farmers carefully hand-pick ripe cocoa pods during harvest season. Inside each pod are the prized cocoa beans, which are laid out to dry naturally for about 8 days, locking in their bold, earthy flavors. But only the best make it to the next step. Each bean goes through strict quality control, tested for moisture, size, and aroma before heading into one of the world's largest chocolate factories. Once inside, the transformation begins. First, the beans are thoroughly cleaned in massive rotating drums and blasted with powerful air jets to remove any dust and debris. Then comes the roasting process, where precise time and temperature awaken the cocoa's deep, signature flavor. The roasted beans are ground into a thick, rich paste, then pressed to extract cocoa butter, forming solid cocoa cakes, each weighing around 7 kilograms. These cakes are then refined into a fine cocoa powder, the key ingredient behind Kit Kat's iconic chocolate. This powder is mixed with sugar, milk powder, cocoa butter, and a few secret ingredients in massive mixers until it becomes a velvety chocolate mass. Through a process called conching, the chocolate is refined even further to achieve that silky, melt-in-your-mouth texture. It's then tempered, heated, and cooled to just the right temperature to prevent crystal formation and give it a glossy finish. Meanwhile, the heart of the Kit Kat, the wafer, is being made with equal precision. A blend of wheat flour, sugar, vegetable fats, and a special leavening agent is mixed into a thick batter and baked at over 350 degrees Fahrenheit for just 30 seconds. The result? Perfectly crispy wafers cooled with gentle air to lock in their crunch. Here's a fun fact. Broken or imperfect Kit Kats are ground into a fine powder and reused in the creamy filling between wafer layers, making Kit Kat a near zero waste candy bar. If this behind-the-scenes look into the world of chocolate blew your mind, be sure to subscribe. Once stacked and filled, these wafers glide down a conveyor and are showered in flowing ribbons of chocolate. 3 delicate layers coat every bar, covering every edge, and a final wafer is placed on top, completing the masterpiece. Precision blades cut each bar into perfect portions, and any flawed ones are instantly rejected and recycled. Now the transformation enters high speed. A simple phrase that invites you to pause, relax, and enjoy a sweet escape from the hustle of everyday life. The perfect bars are swiftly wrapped in foil and then that iconic red wrapper thanks to robotic arms that work at lightning speed. And just like that, the bars are ready for the world. Every single day, over 8 million Kit Kats roll off the production line, destined for shelves across the globe. And of course, there's the unforgettable slogan, "Have a break, have a Kit Kat."